Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Then scroll down again. Click on Display Size and Text. And last but not least, operate this font size slider in order to adjust it. When you finished, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!